Web designing. Web design is the process of creating websites. It encompasses several different aspects, including web page layout, content production, and graphic design. While the terms web design and web development are often used interchangeably, web design is technically a subset of the broader category of web development. Websites are created using markup language called HTML. Web designers build web pages using HTML tags that define the content and metadata of each page. The layout and appearance of the elements within a page are typically defined using CSS or cascading style sheets. Therefore, most websites include a combination of HTML and CSS that defines how each page will appear in a browser. Basic terminology of web designing. Computer network. Computer network is a set of computers connected to each other to share the resources. Network protocol. Set of rules used to provide efficient communication between the computers. File transfer protocol (FTP). FTP is a standard network protocol used to transfer files from one host to another host over TCP (Transmission Control Protocol) based network such as the internet. It is often used to upload web pages and other documents from private development machine to public web hosting server. Interesting fact about web designing. The World Wide Web was launched into the public domain by Tim Berners-Lee on 30th April 1989. Website. A website is simply a collection of web pages in a server folder at a common IP address. IP stands for Internet Protocol. Every computer or web server connected to the internet has a unique address referred to its Internet Protocol address. World Wide Web. World Wide Web consists of all the public websites connected to internet worldwide, including the client devices such as computers and cell phones that access web content. The www is just one of many applications of the internet and computer networks. WWWC. The World Wide Web Consortium W3C is an international community where member organizations, a full-time staff, and the public work together to develop web standards. URL Universal Resource Locator. The global address of documents and other resources on the www is known as Universal Resource Locator. Example: in the given link, we'll know about the components of the URL. The protocol is HTTP. Other protocol include HTTPS, FTP. The host or host name is video.google.co.uk. The subdomain is video. The domain name is google.co.uk. The top level domain or TLD is UK. The UK domain is also referred to as country code top level domain or CCTLD. For google.com, the TLD would be com. The second level domain SLD is co.uk. The port is 80, which is the default port for web servers, not usually used in URLs when it is the default, although all web servers broadcast on ports. The path is /video play. Path typically refers to an file or a location on the web server. Example: /director/file.html. An example of the URL parameters are doc ID, and the value of that parameter is the given number that we have taken the example in the previous slide: 72469277612831078230. These are often called name value pairs. URLs often have lots of parameters. Parameters start with question mark and are separated with an ampersand symbol. The anchor or fragment is #00 h0 to m30s question mark. Internet versus www. The internet and the World Wide Web are not the same thing. The internet is a massive network of computers, whereas www, World Wide Web, is a means of accessing and sharing information across this massive network of computers. Web browser or web client. A web browser is a software application for retrieving presenting, and traversing information resources on the World Wide Web. An information resource is identified by an Uniform Resource Identifier URI and may be a web page, image, video, or the plot or piece of content used by web clients to access web servers. Example: Firefox, Google Chrome, Internet Explorer, Opera, and Safari. Web server. Web servers are computers that deliver, serves up web pages. Every web server has IP address. IP stands for Internet Protocol and possibly a domain name. Note: any computer can be turned into web server by installing server software and connecting the machine to the internet. There are many web server software applications, including public domain software from NCSA and Epic, and commercial packages from Microsoft IIS, Netscape, and others. Internet. The Internet is a global system of interconnected computer networks that use the standard Internet Protocol suite TCP or IP to serve billions of users worldwide. It is network of networks consists of millions of private, public, academic, business and government networks of local to global scope that are linked by broad array of electronics, wireless and optical networking technologies. Web page. A web page is a document or information resource that is suitable for World Wide Web and can be accessed through a web browser and displayed on a monitor or a mobile device. This information is usually in HTML or XHTML format and may provide navigation to other web pages via hypertext links. Interesting fact about emails. In 1971, Ray Tomlinson chose the symbol to allow emails to be sent to other computers. Thank you for watching this video. If you like my video, please like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel.